one
That's
this long.
yourself a Mother's Day present.
Yeah. And so I didn't win anything. I was just because
I wonder if I'd kept it, but I told Carter she got 40. I said, pledge, and that's what you're here for.
Well, I wouldn't. If you would have let me, I could have put 20 in there, then put the other 20. Now I would have still had some money. I'm gonna get this side of the road where the tornado hit.
because I knew Walmart wouldn't have anything.
I'll get us some gum if you'll find it for us.
Mementos.
Yeah.
Mementos.
I got my phone angled where the sun won't make them.
See, here's the tornado.
I know, that's what.
Right through there.
Here's
It
where
was
the tornado
light when it
hit.
Look how light it was. Way
Ah.
over here. See all
I can't get that on that side. I'll just get this on this.
that? Yeah.
This is where the tornado hit Kingston, y'all.
That was a restaurant.
No, that was Playboy thing. And then over here, right over here, you know all that.
Uh-huh.
Oh, my goodness. Just missed the dollar store. That was it. Give me a bump. Because it's Monday. Not me.
I'll probably get cold with the air conditioner on tonight, so I'll freeze and I'll be half awake all night. Angling my camera this way because since the lens is still cracked, so it won't make no. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.